Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce a fast way to unpivot data in Excel using Power Query. I got the data from World Trade Organization. As you can see, the data is in report layout, and it is not the good format for further analysis, such as build pivot tables. And I want to put all the years in one column and all the values in another column. A few years ago, I have to write VB script to do that. Now, thanks for Power Query, we can do it in a much simpler way. First, press Ctrl A to select all the data, then press Ctrl T to convert the data into a table. Okay. Now on the Data tab, Get Data, here we click from Table/Range. Now we open the data in the Power Query editor. Press Shift. We select the 3 columns. Then right-click. Unpivot other columns. You can see it's pretty easy. We rename the column Year and close and load to. We load to a new worksheet. Now you can see we put all the years in one column and all the values in another column. And one great thing about Power Query is that it can update data automatically, because the data in this table is linked to the data in this table. So we can expand the table. We input 2022, 1000, 2000, and 3000. Here we just refresh. You can see we successfully add new data. Now we build a pivot table. Insert table, new worksheet. We put years in rows and partner economy in columns. We put values here. You can see, since we unpivot data in this report, now it's much flexible for further analysis. Okay, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. If you find this useful, you can subscribe my channel. Bye.